Party virus from a SmartGames sliding puzzle where the goal is to get rid of the red virus, in this case the red slider. With the game come a booklet with instructions, 60 different challenges from really easy to very difficult. We have a tray, 2 blockers, meaning they cannot move, they still in place. 8 colorful sliders, different size, different shape, like you can see, and our virus or red slider. When you move a slider, I'm going to take this one, can move this way or this way. The rule is a slider cannot move outside of the tray to help another slider, meaning here it's okay, but there it's not okay, that you cannot do it. I'm going to take a challenge and let's see what we can do. The first challenge, we place on the tray as shown on the picture the different sliders. We have this one, we have a red one, and we have a blockers. In this case, the only way to move this slider is like that. I cannot go this way because I'm going to move this slider. No, that's not good. Will be the first move. Next, I'm going to place this one on the side. Bring back this slider in such way that now I can get rid of the red slider. Let's see another challenge, maybe 18. What we got? We have red, we have this one, blockers here, the orange piece, green one, and another blocker. Let's see what we can do. Alors, I can move this one, that's the first choice. Next, I can move the red slider here. Let's see, maybe I can push this one here. In that case, I can move this one. Yeah, that would be maybe good. This one can go here, there, and there. No, I'm going to move this like that. Alors, next, can bring back this one. Alors, this one can go here. This one, let's see, can go here, and there. Alors, I can move this one here. Alors, this one can go here. I can move this one here. How will it be good? Alors, this one can go here and there. Next, this one can move. Let's see, this one. And there, yes. Alors, I can move this one. Alors, this one can move. That will work. Alors, next, this one. That will work. Alors, this one. And finally, this one. And we get rid of the red slider. If you have some difficulty to find the solutions, don't be worried. At the end of the booklet, we have the solutions. Let's see, I'm going to show you maybe one. For the number 6, how that works. First, we're going to place follow. Let's see, that's number 6. Okay, alors I have this piece, I think, this piece here. That one. And this one, that's it. No, if you, number 6, if you don't know, alors is this piece move this way. it's a little small, but you see the arrow. The arrow gives you the directions. This piece move 2 times up this one. Alors this one go this way, this way, this way, and this way. That's the arrow. Next will be this one, 2 times this way, 1 time that way. Alors this one go 2 times that way, and finally red go 1 that, this, and like that. And that's the way how to play antivirus. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment. And until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen.